Hello, hello, hello. What is going on, money team? My DOD, money-making, grinding, focused friends. What is going on, everybody? What's good, what's good, what's good? What's good in the hood? How are we all doing, everybody? How is everybody doing? Gotta get this whole setup going. Good morning. All right, what's going on?
Good morning, man. How you doing?
What's up, bro? I'm good. How you doing? Sorry, Grizzly. I ended up catching a trade after you left yesterday.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
It was little.
It's a little hasty up there.
It was little, but it worked out. I mean, got us paid a little bit. Got us a little something, a little lunch money. A few sushi rolls. You're not getting the whole.
Yeah, pre-market. I hate when that happens.
Yeah, got a little lunch money. You're not getting the whole steak and sushi platter from yesterday's trade, but
I'm having some good steak today.
it's automatic, huh?
Leg day. I gotta have a steak on leg day.
Always. I did leg day yesterday too. I'm dying. Hurting real bad.
I got into like the heavy heg spot. Or the heg spin, the heg bar. Have you tried that bar?
Oh yeah, tough. We do.
Every day I'll get that nut bar. I used to use this regular barbell, you know.
We've been implementing plyometrics and more things in the mixture of weights too. I'm trying to keep my vert up. I gotta stay Jdun. Not Jdun is an unk. Jdun is in basketball. Get it right.
I'd like to play some ball again. Like just find some people to play some pickup games or something, you know? Go play any at the gym or whatever.
Oh crap, mother. 1 second. I'll be right back. Yes. Forgot. Gene moved my camera yesterday. There we go. All right, let's get this started here. Check, check, check. Good morning to the TikTok Live. As a reminder for this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Nothing said here should be taken as financial advice. It is education and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. The stream is starting at 7:07 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's get to it. You slept great last night? That's good. I had a guy friend me on Discord after I joined claiming to be Jdun, and he tried to get me to talk to him on WhatsApp. Yep, nope. Don't do that. That's a scam. It's a scam. You got anything on watch today, Grizzly Glock?
Yeah, I do. I did a little morning prep with Team Wolf while I was watching, but I was watching this Asia low at the 916 area for a possible short entry if we push up.
All right. Rocking with some Asia low. I see you. Jdun, I had my first mega trade yesterday afternoon, following your system exactly. So grateful for you. Let's go. Hoosh, hoosh, hoosh. I am at the office again today.
Don't forget Gene's blanket.
Bro loves his blanket. Bro loves his blankie. I got my coffee so we can activate pay done here in a moment when the time is right. Had a nice breakfast. Bro, I've been eating so much. 5 meals a day. I'm telling you, it's like a full-time job. It's a full-time gig eating so much, man. I mean, the grind is hard. The actual working out is hard, but the eating just takes, it's every day. It's constant.
That's the hard part. Lifting weights is a fun part.
Yeah, right. The DOD that is required with the kitchen is serious.
I'll get some fresh.
Yup.
Some fresh to drink here. Some tea. Drinking tea this morning. Right back.
How we all doing, YouTube? Guys, what I did here, what I did with the YouTube and this computer, this lag is really good. If you guys look at the chart, I think I'm only lagging about 3 seconds now. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's less than the other computer. If you go watch your NQ chart, no, it's not 10 seconds. It's just not. I know that because I just tested it. It's like 3 seconds. 3 seconds, yep. Have I ever tried melting pot in Littleton? My office is right by there. I've never been there, though. I don't eat dairy anymore, so I really had no reason to go. But my office where I'm at is kind of by there in that area. Which chat do you don't? I spend most of my time inside the Team Bull chat, the paid chat. As far as reading comments, I do read YouTube comments when I can, and TikTok comments when I can. I just spend most of my time and energy on. I make sure I answer every question in the Team Bull chat. That's our paid private stream. I don't really. There's no links for it anywhere. I don't advertise it much, but. We do have a place in Discord where there's 0 lag. It's real-time entries and exits. No 3, 4, 5 seconds of lag, which is nice. Oh, my legs are hurting. What's up, JP? What's good, bro? What up? As a reminder, guys, if you guys want to take my next trade with me, Apex is 90% off. You can use code Jdun. Get yourself a 90% off 50K Trade Evade account for $19.70. Best deal in the market right now. I'll do my best to help you pass as many people's evals today as we can, or make as much progress on funded as we can. Am I bullish or bearish? I don't have a bias right now. Yeah, but you can pass the Apex accounts in one day too, which is really nice. You can pass in uno dia. Huskers mentioned, yes, sir. Oh boy, I had a crazy leg day yesterday. Crazy. Not just with weights, but also with plyometrics. A lot of jumping, a lot of lunges, a lot of slides side to side. I'm hurting bad. I'll tell you all that. Your boy's hurting, to say the least. At Jdun, you said keep all the fib retracements off except 0.618 and 0.5. That's what I do. That's what I find works best. How many contracts do you suggest to pass the evals? I mean, honestly, if I'm trading, if I had to trade evals, I'd trade like 3 to 5 minis. I'd just trade aggressive. That's just me, though. You have to have a set strategy and know what you're doing to do that. I mean, it's gonna result in you having a few more accounts that get blown. But here's how I look at it. I don't want you full porting evals and being an idiot if you just keep failing, right? If you just can't do it, then you have no choice but to take longer. But for me, let's say I pay $20 for an eval, okay? And if I take a week to pass that, my $20 is worth a week. Let's say I get 5 evals for $20 and I pass one of them. I failed the other 4. Well, that I just paid $100, but I passed it in a day or two versus a week. My time is worth more than $20 a week. I'd rather pay $100 for a day than $20 for a week. I value my time. That's how I look at it. That's how you have to look at it too, is if you value your money more than your time, then take a week on an eval. Take 2 weeks. That's not how I think. That's not how I operate. No, we just haven't updated the pricing, Jacob. I really don't advertise the paid chat much, so I haven't really focused on it. I'm just trying to build our audience here in YouTube, man. Trying to build us into the largest trading stream in the industry. Jdun, thanks so much for changing my mindset. I have been trading with you live for 3 weeks. You have helped me pass an eval and helped me get my first payout. I just wanted to say thank you, DOD. Let's go! That's dope. Let's go. Yo! For you first people here, let's get those likes up, baby. We're at 67 likes on the stream. Let's get to 100 plus. Come on. We're choosing DOD today. We're choosing discipline over cheap garbage dopamine. Tap that thumbs up. If you're on TikTok, slam that screen over and over. Hit that like button. Let's get those running too. Come on, we're at 400 likes. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? Come on. Y'all are better than that TikTok. Y'all are better than that. Come on. Gene is not here yet. And I miss you. Here now you're gone. I've been waiting here by the phone. What is this canvas? There we go. All right, let's see what we get today, folks. What the hell just happened here? Oops. There we go. I don't like that either. All right, guys, let's see. We got not long left till we open up today. We got 10 minutes. Got a ways from pre-market high, too. Got a ways away from pre-market high. Let's see what they give us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, how we all doing this morning, Team Bull? You guys all focused? You guys all ready to trade? You guys all ready to make some money today? We're putting in the universe. We got paid unloading. We got pay done loading up. I marked my levels at 2 a.m. Eastern time. Yep. We used the DOD system when I was in the military. Good stuff. Let's go. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service, sir. I do not have my PC back yet. They were going to do some tests on it and let me know. They were going to do some tests on it and let me know. That's it. It's time. I'm officially, I want this on the record, slam the gavel. I want it to be known that Jdun is in the building. The caffeine's about to start smacking, baby. Jdun is in the building, and we are not playing today. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Uh-oh. I'm here. We're here, baby. Am I live trading at the office? I actually am. Live trading in person continues. I need to put out an announcement tomorrow. Guess what else drops today at noon Eastern time? Guess what comes out in less than 3 hours? The 2-bar strategy video you guys have been waiting for. We're releasing it today in less than 3 hours. I just put out an announcement, everybody. If you want to come to in-person live trading tomorrow in Colorado, you got to DM me on Discord. It's in Denver area. So if you guys are in Colorado, if you're in Colorado and you want to come trade live with me in person, you have the ability to. Let me go ahead. Where'd my... Oh, here's my camera. Hold on. Oh. Oh. Whew. Am I trading the NASDAQ? Yes. It's my wife. Her name is Nasdaqita. She's a little crazy sometimes. Nasdaqita. She keeps me on my toes. Let's just say that. Oh. She's my señorita Nasdaqita. She helps me practice DOD. Yeah, it's a little bit of an abusive, toxic relationship. She's not very nice to me sometimes, but you know, I love her. Can I say I keep coming back every day? She's a little toxic. She's got a little attitude problem sometimes, but we're working on it. I think DOD's helping that out a little bit. I can't leave her. I love her. I just keep coming back. I can't stop. All right, we got 2 minutes till open. Want you guys to all do your mental check-in right now. How did you sleep last night? Do you have any big events coming up today? Did you have a rough trading day yesterday that you could be potentially bringing into today? All of these things are things that you need to know and be aware of. You need to stay on top of your psychology, on top of your focus, and if you aren't at your mental executing A game, you size down today. Non-negotiable. If you're ready to execute like an athlete, there we go. It's game time. It's game 6 of the NBA Finals. We're throwing it back to, what was it, 2011 or whatever, when the Heat were down 3-1. You got primetime LeBron here, and I'm a Kobe guy. We all know that how that debate goes. And we're coming back 3-1 and about to win the series, baby. Come on. I slept great at Jdun. Got work after this, and it's pulling on my big brain, but I'm on a paper, ready to get a feel for and learn. That's what's up. Yes, we all know Kobe's the GOAT here. That's not a question here if you're trading with your boy Jdun. The Cavs. Wait, no, is it? Wait, I think it's the Heat. I think. I don't know. Maybe it was the Cavs. Oh, it was the Cavs down to the Warriors. You're right. Blocked by James.
Let's do this, Team Wolf. It's time. Watching that Asia low.
What's up, Grizzly Glock? Let's.
Make it back today, man.
Well, I'm ready to make a bag. I will accept nothing less. Nothing less than a bag, a big bag. A big old, we're talking duffel bag. Big old duffel.
Hey, for everyone's steak.
Yep.
Bag.
Everyone's steak. That's the type of bag we're looking for. Everyone gets steak today.
I agree.
Everyone is feasting steak today. That's just how it's going. Yo, as a reminder, we just opened up. We just opened the trading day. You guys need to choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe. Choose discipline over cheap, garbage, easy to access dopamine, and follow your system. Make today a day where you improve. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button. If you're on TikTok, hit that like button, tap that screen over and over. If you're on YouTube, I appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up. See if we can find one good trade today. See if we can find one good trade today. That's all it takes. When we join your channel and pay for the channel, we can mock your trades. Well, you don't have to pay for that. You can watch me trade live here. That's the point of these free streams. We have a private community, but it's certainly not necessary to see what I trade every day. So you got it here. All I ask is you hit that follow button if you're on YouTube. I appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button, turning those notifications on. Let's get it. Where's Mr. Gene? If you guys have been waiting for that video I'm gonna drop, it comes out today at noon Eastern time. In 2.5 hours, I'm dropping it on my YouTube channel, Jdun Trades. The 2-bar strategy video is dropping. Catch more trends. $16 minutes, almost 17 minutes of pure game. We'll be dropping it today. Today, my friends, today. Who's all going to spend 20 minutes tonight watching it? Who all can commit to me they'll do their homework and set aside 20 minutes tonight to watch the video? All right, I'm going to hold y'all to it. I'm going to hold you guys to it. It's really good. It'll be on my YouTube channel, Jdun Trades. Ooh, okay. Let's see what Tesla does for us today, too. Usually a third lower men, sometimes half, depending on how big it is. Just depends how big the position is, how big the trim is. All those things kind of come into play. It's not just set, oh, if I have 3 contracts, I trim 1, you know? Well, with only 3, then that probably would actually be what it was. All right, we're coming down to test that pre-market low. Where is Senor Gene? Distance between what candles? Between these? It's pre-market high. That's the distance. You know what would be major is if we got a nice move over 900 and just trended all the way up to 050. That would be major today. I'd love that. On Tesla, I didn't mark anything on Tesla. I can't tell you why the candles are. That's the market makers. Someone said, my mind is clearly wired like a gambler. I think that most of chat would heavily disagree. I would have to heavily disagree. I mean, anyone can argue that trading is gambling, quote unquote. But that's the same with anything that has risk in life. You could say that going to college is gambling. You're gambling $50,000 on an education. Trading can be gambling if you don't have a set system and if you don't manage your risk and if you're just nuking trades out of cheap garbage dopamine. Sure. It doesn't have to be, though. Working a 9 to 5 is gambling with your time, for sure. Hey, by the way, everybody, Jdun is going to be live trading Asia on this YouTube account Monday through Thursday. Monday through Thursday. So if you guys are looking for an Asia live stream, you can press that bell icon and turn your notifications on. Press all. And you'll be able to watch him live on Asia on my YouTube channel. He was live last night. Friday, there's no Asia stream. It's the weekend, bro. Jdun is a boy. Is she a good trader? Hey, start calling him Gina when he comes in. Hi, Gina. How's it going, boo? I'm so calling him that when he comes in. Oh. Damn, Gina. So we can make money with Gene and lose it with me the next day. I mean, I don't think you're going to lose it with me, but I guess you technically could. All right, folks, let's get it. Let's get it. We are waiting for the first 15-minute range to form, and we'll see what we can get. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well, and now that I fixed my computer, I think the lag on TikTok is actually less, or the lag on YouTube is actually less than TikTok. I got it dialed in on YouTube. Only about 3 seconds. 3 or 4 seconds. So if you want to watch me chart, you can go to your YouTube, type in Jdun Trades, and join us. We're building the largest trading community in the game. Yeah, there's not much lag. I got it dialed in. The TikTok algo is great because it shows us new people. Like yesterday, we had 18,000 viewers on TikTok. But of that, only like 40% or so was followers. So it shows us a lot of new people every day, which is great. It builds our community, builds our fam. YouTube's the GOAT, though. YouTube's what I really want us to build up. I want us to have by the end of the year, we're going to have 6,000 plus people in this live. Watch. They're going to see DOD is the way. They're going to see the value we're given. They're going to see our community is focused. Our community is dialed. We had 18,000 total viewers on TikTok. Amari Divine said, I came from TikTok and now prefer YouTube. Let's go. Let's get it. I want to get a nice trade today, guys. Yesterday's trade was low-key kind of buns. I mean, it was fine. Not the good buns either. It was fine, but, you know, like 20, 25 points with 20, 25 points of risk is we got 1-to-1. Anyone know what time of day Jdun is using for pre-market levels? I used 2 a.m. Eastern time. Wait, what's Tradeovate doing? Is it not working? I'm seeing reports of Tradeovate not working. Is this... Is this correct or not? No, I wouldn't say every morning. Tradeovate for the most part is good. Let me try it. I'll test out yeah, Tradeovate's working for me. It's working for me, so we'll see. I'll keep my eyes peeled. I'll keep my eyes peeled for any updates. I'm pumped. I got 2 student interviews this weekend as well. 2 students who have absolutely crushed it, made killer money with proof, and are coming out to talk about how DOD has helped them and how I've helped them as a trader in their journey. I'm super stoked. You guys always loved my podcast back in the day, so I'm bringing it back. DOD does work. We got about 40 seconds till this 15-minute range closes. And then the real work starts. We start looking for trades. So as of now, this is what I would like to see. I'd like to see us aggressively move up, get a strong close above this level, some sort of volume confirmation in our 5-minute time frame. And then I'd like to see us target this pre-market high. That's what I would personally like for us to see. That's what I would like for us to see for this move currently. Everybody wants everyone to come join their team, but I'm wondering why. For is it really going to help me or scam? Can someone do it alone? You can do it alone. Again, joining this stream costs you $0.00. And all I do is sit here and yell at you to be disciplined and to trade smart, and to trade safe, and to take care of yourself, and to trade better, and to follow a system and to not be an idiot. So if you've ever struggled with a lack of discipline, with revenge trading, with over trading, then this is probably a good stream for you. I always say this, guys, if you want a stream where they take 1 million trades and they take 5, 6, 7 trades and are nuking trades back and forth, I'm not your guy. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy, Patty. Not that guy. I take 1 trade a day usually. I stream for 2 hours and take 1 trade. But guess what? How does that end up working out for us, team? If you've changed your trading strategy from a bunch of trades to only 1 to 2 a day, have you guys improved in your trading since joining these streams? Yes or no? Just says yes. Alex says yes. Really says we want a DOD. Yup. Yes. All the yeses. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Our 15-minute range is in. No, I get it. You are 1 click away on this mouse. Guys, 1 click away on this mouse from a hit of dopamine. 1 hit away from not being bored anymore. 1 hit away from having fun. We don't care about fun here. I mean, we have fun. Like talking with each other, we have fun. But I want your trading to be boring. That's why we wait. I sit here and I see this. I'm like, I'm not going to trade this. There's nothing here. I'd rather have boring trading and then have a fun life with my trading profits than have fun trading and have no profits and have no fun. You feel me? A lot of y'all prioritize fun and trading, and then you go out, you get done with your trading, and you got no money to spend. So you sit there and you twiddle your thumbs or whatever you do. I don't know what you do. Pay Dun's here, though. Pay Dun's here. I got the coffee. Oh, yep. Construction worker turned millionaire Grizzly. That podcast was dope. That was back in the day.
Oh yeah, that's been a minute. Only 3, man. Only do a podcast.
I can't get you out here. You're coming to BullCon though, right?
I plan on it, man. Is there a speaker right now? That speaker? I'm talking. That speaker something.
I think Trump. Someone was saying Trump's talking. I don't know if that's true though.
We're having trouble while we were both. We're trying logging off and back in. My trade debate's working.
What does it mean in Trade Evade when it says order rejected and your account is set to liquidation? It means that you probably cooked your account, my friend. I'm sorry.
Look at that candle is pushed all the way back down. Back above.
How do you navigate Apex's intraday trailing instead of end of day? It's hard. Order filled. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. I know that got some of y'all. That was a good one. I put my deep voice into that. that was good there. That was a little too good. I'm gonna give away my identity. Part-time trader, part-time Trade Evade voice operator. All right, come on, give us something. Give us something good. Give us something good. Market, the market. We are right in the middle of this range, too, guys. Literally right in the middle. Can you confirm or deny that you're actually Coleman? Who's Coleman? Wow, Jdun, seriously, you're missing all these moves. Yeah, missing all the moves. Missing all the moves. Well, Paydon's here. Nothing on Tesla, nothing on NASDAQ. Nothing on either spot. Yo, in case you guys didn't hear earlier, Team Bull, I'm releasing my 2-bar strategy video, the full in-depth guide that you guys have been waiting for today at noon Eastern time. So in 2 hours from now, 2 hours and 9 minutes, I'm releasing the video on my YouTube, Jdun Trades. Someone said, Jdun, don't eat pork chop market. Well, I don't eat pork, so that's actually correct. And I definitely don't like choppy markets. So both are factual at this point. I need 450 to pass an evaluation. Let's catch a trade. Well, busy mom, I understand that mindset. I know you're just having fun. But let's focus on catching a good trade. You follow your usual plan. If we make money, great. If we lose money, you keep it managed. I will do my best to find you a nice winner that, following your system, makes you 450. I will do my absolute best. It is my mission today to help you win. Your wish is my command. Guys, if you're right now, the best deal in the market is with Apex for 90% off. If you're not a fan of Apex or you don't like intraday drawdown, Tradeify is probably your best bet. You can use code Jdun for 30% off the select accounts. You can get daily payouts too, which is pretty cool.
Still watching the same level we talked about pre-market team with Asia lower. Possible short.
Here's the deal, folks. We did not end up giving away our little snack yesterday for the 2K concurrent viewers. If we get there again today, I got double trouble for you. Let's just say you might want to have your accounts loaded up. That's all I'm going to say. That's all. I'm only saying it once. If we get to 2K concurrent again, we're going to have double trouble. We've never done double trouble before. We've done single trouble, not double trouble. So if you're new here, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. That's just how it's going to have to be unless someone in chat tells you. If you've been here, well, then if you know, you know. If you don't know, then you just don't know. But you might know eventually, but you don't know now. I never eat fast food. All right, let's see if we get some sort of entry here, guys. We're getting a solid move up. I'd love to see us confirm with volume. It doesn't look like we're going to get it. I'd be very surprised if we confirm this with volume. What I would like to see here is a strong close above, and I would have rather seen our volume rising. So we'll see. This time. Still in this range. No trade for me. I haven't used the 2-minute time frame in a minute. It's been a while. What am I supposed to do with that candle? What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? This is your reminder, guys. We're almost 30 minutes in. We've had no confirmations yet. Please just remember to breathe, relax, wait for an A+ setup to come. There's no need to, it's not Pokemon. I tell you guys this literally every morning. It's not Pokemon. You don't got to catch every move. You don't got to catch them all. Now, if we can get, sorry, go ahead.
This is the area I was watching for a possible short, everyone.
Short.
How quickly we pushed up there, but
I'm looking for a move. I'd like to see us close strong above. And if we get that with confirming volume, I'll look for a long. But if we reject this and fail, then...
try a little short here, everyone. Flat size.
Oh.
Not any, a little short here. Small size of maybe a few shorts. Or normal size, whatever. Just looking for the sweep of that. I suddenly experienced the universe as intelligent. The groups of, I'm gonna keep my stop on the other side of it. If it pushes up, I will stop out. This volume 2 looks good. If it pushes up in lower volume, it's just moving in.
I'm gonna say if we do end up getting a strong volume.
Above this Asia low, it went up now. Did a 5-minute close here. Trades invalid. If I expected it to sweep back down to VWAP and test that 15-minute range high.
Just waiting, folks. No trades that I hope that rips for you, Grizzly Glock. In the case it doesn't, if we do get strong volume here with a strong close, I'm going to look for a retest back down here for longs with stops below 860. I'll look for 890 to 900 with stops below 860. It's my only watch right now. You guys got to remember I'm a retest trader. My trading's boring. Yo, TikTok, we got almost 700 people in here. If we can get 100 of y'all over, to YouTube right now, we'll set our new record. Jdun trades on YouTube. There's less lag, there's less delay, and you get full screen share. It's false. There's not more delay on YouTube. Nope. Go check now. I bet you the YouTube's faster. Bet you it is. All right. Let's see how this candle closes. I'm not sure we're going to get that volume. What did you get filled at, around 900? Nice job. This actually looks decent for a retest back up now. That short looks good with stops above like 920. What's up, Mr. Gene? What's up? Grizzly just hit a banger. I'd like. What do you say? You have a new name, Gene. Your new name is Gina. Gina. That Gina. It's just Gina. Don't worry about it. Still waiting, everybody. Just waiting. No pay done yet. Nice catch there. That was good. Can you hear me, Grizzly? How many broke me? All right, guys. I want to see a confirmation candle with volume. That was a nice catch there. Good job. That was a nice catch there. Oh, we're back above 2,000 again, baby. And we still got 600 people on TikTok, which I want to see at least half of y'all come over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades, full screen share, less lag. Join the winning team. I'm looking for a winning trade for y'all. If we get confirmation on this 5-minute chart, rising volume, strong candle, look for a pullback down and a move up. We got a lot of ways up to this pre-market high. You guys got to remember, I'm a retest trader. I'm a trend trader. I trade simple, effective setups that are repeatable, consistent, and make us money. Looks like we're going to get the volume there, too. Looks like we're going to get volume there, too. This actually might give us a 2-bar, guys. We might actually end up getting a 2-bar, which would be great if we could catch it. Then that video I'm making releases today as well. Pull back to 900, stops 900 to 885, stops below 850. A little more risk from that 900 area, but still technically valid. All right, let's watch for it, folks. Let's watch for the 2-bar, guys. Let's watch for the 2-bar setup, which is where we have a trend move. We make an aggressive 5-minute candle with rising volume. We look for the retracement of that candle, and then we try to move up. We would buy on a 2-bar here if we get it. I don't want to see this wick. If we get too much wick here, it becomes invalid. We're about to potentially get this 2-bar. I appreciate y'all hitting that like button on this live too. If you're on YouTube, hit that thumbs up, baby. Let's get to 1,000+ likes. Maybe that'll unlock a mega trade for us. Okay, well, that's interesting. It technically is still valid, but I don't love that candle. It's like a large doji. I'll still watch for it. I'm still open to a pullback to like 900 to 885. I'm still open to that setup, guys. Preferably towards 890. I'd like to retest into here. Find some support in this area with stops below 850. I mean, you would have to stop out for a loss if we flush that down. That's what I'm watching for, is a move to 900 to 880, that zone. A what? Longs? Yep, I'm watching that too. I want to see us go down to like 880, 890. 900 could be an entry. It's just it's right at the top of that zone. 50 points of risk. Decent amount. I'd rather see a little less. I'd rather see us flush just like 890, 880. Get an entry there. Come on, a little lower. Little lower. It's 890 to 885. That gives us about 35 points of risk there. I'm okay with that. Lower. Starting a small size of longs. Small size, through to add. I started my position down there. Just trading micros right here, guys. I will add in if we go down to like 880, and I will stop below 850. I have an emergency stop in right now, just in case. At 850, I'd like to see a high a day out of this.
What's going on in chat? This guy, Jdun, look, and Team Wolf. Maybe he missed his setup.
Nothing anymore. He's banned. All right, guys. We're up like 20. One second, Grizzly. We're up about 20 points right now. I need much more of the trim, though. I took nothing off up there. I took nothing off on that move up. I still like this 890 to 880 area for the longs. I have hard stops set just in case at 850. There's an emergency stop in case we got some news candle. If we show weakness below the 15-minute high, I'd likely to stop early. But I did try those longs. We got that move from like 895 up to 920, but not nearly enough to take anything off. Kind of struggling with this area. I still like this zone here, 890 to 880. I still like this area for longs with stops below 850. That candle's not the greatest, but I still like the area. It didn't give me any reason why I'd have to sell. So I'm still holding with my original plan. I don't like how this 1 minute chart looks. I know it's a little wishy-washy. But I am going for the trend move today. So if we get stopped below this 850, that's my emergency stop. If we show weakness below this 15-minute low, say we close a candle down here at like 875 with higher selling volume, I'd likely stop for a smaller loss. We're not getting this follow through I want. I don't like these lower highs. It's not what I want to see. It's not the direction I want to see us go. Don't. I don't know what was up with that guy in chat, Grizzly. Rose account was spazzing. See, I tried the longs down in this area, guys. If we go below this 850, it's no longer valid. But I like the setup. I like the volume. I like that we're above these key levels. I like the 2-bar. If we can't maintain this, then I'll stop out. I'm only trading micros. I'm trading a little smaller right here. I typically just trade smaller in general to the upside. Hard stops are still at 850, guys. If you touch 850, I'll be out. Again, smaller size with larger point risk. If we close this candle, we have 2 more minutes left on it. If we close this candle weak down here, I'll stop out. I still like the zone for longs, but stops must be below that 850. Mandatory. This was the area I liked originally, guys. This 880 area. Here there's only about 30 points of risk. I don't love what I'm seeing on the 1 minute. I don't hate it enough to exit. If we close weak on the 5 minute here, I'll exit early and I'll look for a re-entry. Either way, my risk is managed down to 50. So I'll lose about $1,000 if I get stopped out here. We got like 25 points out of that, but it was not nearly enough to take anything off. Our risk reward would have been backwards, and we don't do that here. Where'd it go? Where'd my screen go? Let's see. Come on, push us up. I'm going to move my stops up to 860, guys. I'll move my stops to 860. If we go below this previous 5 minute candle, I'll be out. So took a little risk off the table there. If you got in around 880, 890, then you took about 10 points of risk off your trade. I'd like to see us push above 900 now. There we go. There we go. If you guys got that lower ad there, once we get above 920, you feel free to trim. I want to see us move above 920. I want to see us push to high a day, actually. That's what I really want to see. If you're worried, if you oversized, whatever, you're in the green, not by much, you can manage how you see fit. Don't listen to me. I'm just a DOD guy, calling trades and hanging out and lifting weights and eating rabbit food every day. But I do my best to find y'all winning trades. We need to push above 920 to even think about any sort of trims from that lower ad. All right, guys. 920 push. You know what? I'm going to take a little off. I don't love what I'm seeing. I'm taking a little off, guys. If you got that lower ad area around 880, then you're sitting at about 1-to-1 right now. If you only tried 900, then you got to wait a little longer. I'd like to see high a day out of this, folks. I'd like to see us move to 950. That's my price target, is 950 plus. So far, everyone should be green. 80 ad 45 points, 900 ad 25 points. Yeehaw. Yeehaw! That's my horse. It's my horse running. 883. 883 is my average. I'm going to go ahead and put my stops there. Let's keep moving higher, baby. Let's keep moving higher. Let's keep moving higher. We want to see high a day. I want to see a trend day up. $9.30, guys. At this point, I don't want to see you guys let this go red. So I put the remainder of my stops at break even at 883. It'll be a small green trade if I get stopped out. Got a really nice ad on that move down. I will wait. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Or I'll wait till high a day for the rest. That is a sketchy looking news candle. I have hard stops in. I will get market sold at 883 if we get stopped. So small winner again. I wanted to see a full continuation up to 950. Hopefully we can get it, but this candle is not looking great. Almost there. Out of this trade. Out of this trade. Out of this trade. Out of this trade. We'll take it though. Small winner. We'll see if we can get a re-entry either way. I don't want to, with it, especially as aggressive as that wick down was, and as this is looking, I don't want to sit there and let it go down to 860 or whatever. So sorry, guys. All right. Nate, technically speaking, I didn't hit my 1R, but green, it's fine.
I got one trim off there to hit my entry.
Yeah, me too. Annoying. That's the type of trade where, technically speaking, from what I risked to my reward, that R wasn't positive, but they would have been if we would have gotten that 950 plus. I just didn't like what I was seeing with that price action and with this wick. So, is what it is. Small win. We'll take it. We'll take a small win. Frustrating for sure. If you got that lower out at 880, that was really nice. Two losses. I will take it. That shouldn't have been a loss if you followed the plan. It wouldn't be some massive win, but it shouldn't have been a loss. On to the next trade. On to the next one. Well, on the bright side, I paid for my steak and dinner last night. And some steak tonight, too. Now watch us move. Watch us sweep on some BS and then move up. I still think the uptrend comes until we break below like 860 to 850. I still think we see upside. We break below this level, chat, then I think we can move down. TikTok, we got almost 700 people in here. I need y'all to come on over to the YouTube, Jdun Trades. We hit an all-time high of viewers today, and now we just dropped back below 2,000. Come on, get us up there. We still got more gas in the tank. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Every trade I take is live. You get to watch me chart and watch me move in real time. Go to your YouTube app and type in Jdun Trades. Come subscribe and join in. Why are you cooked? What do you mean you're cooked? Oh my gosh. Why are you how are you pulling an account possibly? How? That is exactly why I kept my stops where I did. Do you guys see that? We had that aggressive wick. Saw it in the price action. It was looking a little weak. So yeah, I just don't love what I'm seeing. We'll wait for the next good setup. All right, Gina, I gotta use the restroom. Want to come say hi? I'll be right back, y'all. Be nice to Gina. Everyone call him Gina.
Cold. It's cold.
What's your blankie?
What's up, guys? What's going on? You guys being good? Making good choices?
So we got a strong close above that 15-minute high. That actually looks good. If we had volume, I'd look for a pullback for longs. But by my calculations, our volume is not increasing. Therefore, I cannot look for that setup. That upsets me. But we're not getting what I want to see. Give me a setup. What? Hold me back! Hold me back! We're finding a winner, baby! Let's go! Come on! So, guys, if we had strong volume on this candle, I would likely look for a retest of this right here with stops below 860 for longs. The setup actually looks, the structure looks halfway decent. It's just, I don't love our volume there. I don't love our volume there. Did you? Our candles and volume are not adding up. Therefore, I'm going to wait. I'm going to avoid that trade. As a reminder, too, guys, Apex is 80% off. I tried to get you a winner there. If you caught that 880, you got a really nice trade. Even 900, you caught okay trade. But I'm doing my best to find you guys more winners. If you guys want an 80 or a 90% off, it's 90% off, excuse me. 90% off, 90% off, excuse me. I'm trying to help you become a liability to these prop firms. With DOD, you will. I need all y'all to go get yourself a 50K Trade Evade account for $19. And we're going to find ourselves another winner. You heard? Yep, 1 day pass too. No volume here, so I'm waiting on the setup. Yep, 50K account, $19 using code Jdun. No volume on this, so I'm not taking it. You guys know the drill. No retest, no volume, no trade. It ain't that deep. It's actually quite simple. That's it. I'm doing the same thing I did yesterday. I'm ordering a hot large Americano. What? No nitro. This is exactly what I was worried about happening with, since that setup didn't have solid volume. Tried the one setup we had. We got a decent move up and then managed our risk. But right now, this is not it. Man, I'm excited. Got 2 student interviews this weekend. Got my 2-bar video coming out today for y'all on YouTube that you guys have been waiting for. What is this volume? This volume's horrible. Aggressive candle, but weak volume. What is this? This is not DOD. Well, we're choosing DOD, but this market is not on its DOD. Yep, the Jared Tendler Zoom self. Obviously, you guys are here learning from me as your mentor. You got the creator of the DOD system at your, let's say, fingertips, but if you're touching me, that'd be a little weird. So, at your ear tips. And I got a lot of resources for you inside the community to help you with your psychology. Even just Jared Tendler. What is this price action, bro? Imagine, imagine if we would have taken those longs right here, gotten stopped out by literally 25 cents, 50 cents, and then watched it rip. This still looks like it wants upside. Still looks like it wants upside. Well, it's one winner so far. How was church last night, Gene? Good? What? You guys did go, huh? Was it a long service? Look at that. All right, if we get this confirmation candle here, if we can close here, the last setup I see is now again waiting for a retest down, trying it with stops below that low. If we don't get this continuation up, then it's cooked. Well, it might not be cooked, but it's just gonna range, stop people out. Your job is to be a DOD trader. Your job is to not submit and succumb to your emotions. Cheap dopamine is everywhere in life, especially as a trader. You need to stay focused, keep your promises to yourself, and stay on the mission that you set yourself on this morning. Yesterday, when you made those promises to yourself that your trading was going to change, that this was going to be your year, you keep that promise to yourself today. Non-negotiable. The only way this works is if you improve each and every day. I'm here to help you do that every day. Day in and day out, we do it. We do this every day. Maybe my Nebraska jacket is jinxing us. Our basketball team's been struggling. Let's watch for the retest now, folks. I have a feeling we're not going to get the retest we want to see, but let's watch. I don't want to speak that to existence, but I fear it might be facts. This looks like it once high a day. Since trading with you the past 2 weeks, I've already been more consistent in my everyday life. Started reading and going to the gym more often. Thank you. Let's go. All right, let's see if we get a retest back down. I'm willing to try it. I'm willing to try one more time with stops below like 850, 855. Only because we have this pre-market high up here, we have a lot of room to the upside if we can get it. I'd basically go break even to a little red on the day. I hope this isn't the bounce at 920. I fear it might be. We'll see. I got one more in me. Like Vince Carter when he kept saying he was going to retire. I got one more in me. For 900. Zone right here. This area. With stops below this 856. That's all I got left in me. A little more down. Come on. You watching for the longs? Yep, that's what I'm doing too. I'm taking longs if we get down there. 900 to 890 with stops below 56.
I've had 2 winning trades this morning, though, so if anybody takes a trade with me, just know that I'm going to go light. No risk and no profits at all. Probably like 300 max risk.
I'm thinking about trying it early here, man. This looks really good for a test up to that 960. No, I'm going to wait. If we get a strong close here, see if we got another strong candle with higher volume, I would try it and just move my stops up to 900. I'm so tempted to try this. Don't do it. Nope. DOD. I do think we go high a day. I want to see us go a little lower into that zone. I don't think we're going to get our pullback. just going to wait. Choose DOD. Dopamine wants me to press buy. I'm going to wait until I get a solid confirmation of risk management.
Is it going to get the pre-market high today?
That's what I want to see. What is this candle?
It's right at the Asian low.
That's why we wait.
OPEX tomorrow.
That's why we wait with DOD. I don't like that we bounced right here and then failed too. This makes a potential lower high for the day. I'm still open to this bounce area around 880 to 890 to 900, but preferably 885. We just put our risk at 850. Put 30 points of risk. I want to try longs so bad. So bad. I'm like itching to try these longs. I just know it's going to go high a day. Just too much risk. This is a setup if I wasn't on the stream, I'd look for it with stops below like 900, then a re-entry maybe like 880, but I'm going to wait. No new trades. I'm going to wait. I'm going to choose DOD. And I will wait. I'll let you guys know if I enter. Oh, you click over on the screens, Trader Cake, if you want to see my screen or a chart. Okay, once we get down to my level of 900 to 880, I'm going to likely try longs and I'm putting the bull mask on. I'll let you guys know if I end up entering. Choosing DOD. Trading smart, trading safe. Even if it ends up going high a day. Just waiting. Just waiting for my setup. The bear mask should be here today. Oh yeah. I ordered some more stuff too. But I'm not saying what that is on live. Just have to wait and find out. We're gonna go high a day at some point. That's where my bias is leaning. We just aren't low enough into my retracement that I can enter. We got to break above this 44. We're going right to 57. So I will wait. I will stay patient. I will choose discipline over cheap, intrusive, bad dopamine. You take any trades this morning, Gene? No. Restraint is a very tough thing to overcome. That's why I like when you guys join my streams and you can learn it. I can show you it in real time. Even if we get a move up to high day, which I think we will, I'd put my money there first. If you don't have the right risk parameters, it's not a good trade. I can think we're going to high a day. I can see that there's a good probability we do, but if I don't have correct risk or correct system entry, then it's not going to work long term for me. That's what I want you guys to understand. This is DOD. I'll watch for a move down like 880. I got about 45 more minutes in the live stream, folks. I was hoping we get a farther move down there. It looks like we want to go break through this range. Go break through this range and rip up. Break through this and just go. That's what it looks like is going to happen. It's going to happen. I'm not going to get a single piece of it. Because we didn't hit my buy entry. Especially now, it's coming. We're going to high a day. Just a matter of when. And I'm going to watch the train and not be a part of it. At this point, I'm not going to be a part of it. We'll see if that changes. Well, the trend for the day is up so far. The only way I see a short is if, again, the market tells us that's what it wants to do. If we break below this 850 and hold with strength to the downside. See, just waiting. One day I will have Jdun's patience. I hope you all get my patience. Every second you're watching price move up and down, it messes with your heart, man. It messes with your emotions. That's why DOD is so critical. That's why it changes so many lives. When you can have control of your trading and your impulses and have control of your ability to execute or to hold off, that's when profitability starts to come. A lot of you struggle with patience and discipline the most. Well, guess what? You found the founder of the DOD system, the world's most disciplined trader, to help you stay focused every day. Almost every streamer is longing in the chop or anticipating a long from this chop. I mean, I don't blame people anticipating a long. The trend's up. If the trend, if our structure breaks and we flip to the downside, then you look for a short. The trend is your friend. We break the structure to the downside, we look for a short. Thank you. Gracias. All right. Decision time, market. We trust any ripped jeans, Jdun. I don't wear ripped jeans much anymore. I don't know why y'all let me go out dressed like that back in the day. Where are the Team Bull moms at? Y'all should have checked me. Gene, will you grab the coffee from the door, please? Whenever you're done doing what you're doing. No entry here, guys. Just waiting. I'm a little hesitant with all these micro bounces we've seen. I'll watch 880. All right, let's watch this. Let's watch this. I don't know if I like this anymore. I hate that candle. I have not entered anything, guys. I'll let you guys know if I click buy or sell. So watching for the longest enter in 880, but I'd want to see a reclaim first and move back up. Right now, I'd be catching a falling knife. Whenever I'm taking a retest, I like to see us push down, touch, move up, and then enter in the trend, enter in the direction that the price is moving. Where's my, okay, there we go. Still nothing for me. Still no trade for me, guys. Still no trade for me, guys. Just waiting. All right, we got 3 minutes left on this candle. What's the low of this? 865, 850. All right, guys, I'm going to try a small piece of longs. 882. I'm trying this small piece of longs. I'll stop below 850. I will go back to break even, slightly red in the day. If it loses, if we get a strong close on this, I have one more setup on watch.
Any more trades, Jdun?
I just tried a small piece of longs. 882. Stops at 850. 30 points of risk. It might cook me. I'm trading small. I'll give back my small gains from earlier and go slightly red. I have one more setup on watch. If that fails, it'd be for higher volume down, retest back up, and shorts. I have a hard stop in it at 851. We actually might get my short setup too, so I'm basically giving back my gains earlier. Likely go slightly red. Will go slightly red. Not likely.
Everyone have a good day. Yeah. Nathan Mayer this morning. Good luck, Jdun.
It's not looking great, but I'd be bummed if I didn't try it on that move back up, and it went without me. So 8:41, 20 more seconds. I'm gonna move my stops back up to. I'm gonna move my stops up to 860. 10 points up. The low of this candle. So it'll still be a loss, but 10 points less. This actually looks absolutely horrible right now. Looks awful. Let's see, it's at break even. I'm going to close this trade at break even, guys. I'm closing this trade. I don't like how that 5-minute looks. I might regret it later. It could pump without me. I'm closing it at break even here. At 880s, guys. Didn't hear me? I closed this trade at break even. It goes against my 5-minute system. We might rip here. That's fine if it rips it without me. It doesn't fit my 5-minute system, so I closed it at break even. I closed it at break even. I mean, it is up now, so hopefully you guys can close it now if you're still in profit. I don't like this 5-minute candle here, so I don't want to get caught in that move down. It doesn't fit with my system. So I close that trade at break even. Watch it go now. Maybe the JSI will fire for y'all. Maybe y'all can get a move through this right here. This wouldn't be a 2-bar. Why would this not be a 2-bar, guys? Well, I keep telling you guys this about two. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go freaking high day now. Watch. But I close that at break. Still, I mean, we'll take it. Not a loss, but I hated that 5-minute chart. Look at that. Aggressive candle, rising volume. Why is this not a 2-bar setup? What do I keep telling you guys about 2-bars? It's only in play when it's a trend. Otherwise, it's a reversal. Just because you have a 5-minute candlestick, y'all got to go watch the video. Just watch the video in an hour. That's all I'm going to say. Just watch the video. We're about to go high a day too. Man. The 2-bar setup is only in play when it is on a trend entry. This could be a reversal candlestick, and that would be okay to look at with that retrace, but this is not a 2-bar setup. The trend is still up. Well, I closed my trade at break even for it to pump 30 points, so great. Dude is telling us to get out so we can't pass the accounts. Hey, chat, tell Connor if he has a peanut brain or a big brain. Connor says that I want you to get out so you don't pass accounts. Yeah. Peanut brain. Bro must be new here. Bro got rice-sized brain. Yeah, bro, I want you to get out and manage your risk so you don't pass your accounts. I want you to get out of a trade that I called so you don't pass. What? I just saying, there's one of us on here who's winning almost every day. I think I'm the only streamer who tells y'all that I want you to focus on getting solid experience with prop firms, getting payouts, and moving that money to a live account. I don't want you churning and burning prop accounts constantly. Look at that freaking, oh my gosh. That's annoying. It's annoying for sure. I just saying, I help more people than I think anyone else, any other streamer, pass more accounts and manage their risk with DOD. Can confirm, as someone who watches a lot of streamers, Jdun actually makes us more than we lose. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. I do my best. This price action's been a little tricky today. We're about to go high a day, bro. Yep. No. We do the right thing, baby. I do my best to help y'all choose DOD every day. If you guys just join this live stream every day, for one, you're going to have some good entertainment. And for two, you're going to make more money. What more can you ask for? For three, you're going to live a more disciplined life. And, if you guys want to join my premium private community, every Friday, it's 100% free. Meaning you can get the Zoom link with zero lag for 100% free. Get access to my private community, get all your questions answered in the live chat. DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and that you'd like access to the private stream tomorrow. I'll post the link once right now in YouTube. That's all I'm posting it in YouTube. Otherwise, you got to DM me on IG. Again, my Instagram is Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades. If you message me on there, you can get access to my private community for free tomorrow. No card required, no information required. You just join my private Discord. I want you guys to all go DM me right now if you want access to the private stream. Look at that freaking trade. That would have been a 50-point trade. What's frustrating? You see that? You see how I operated there, Gene? I didn't trust myself. I didn't trust that 5-minute candlestick, and it burnt. It burnt me. It's all right. Oh, that's a fire pick. I'm going to save that. That is a fire pick, bro. That pick is so fire. It was such a fire pick. The guy is snorting a line of dopamine. That is crazy. Bro is making lines of dopamine. What? This is some of y'all every trading morning. All right, hold on. That's hilarious. Let me pull that up for y'all real quick. See, this is what they'd be making me inside the Discord. Literally hilarious. Where is... Let's just take a second and diagnose this picture, all right? Let's just take a second and diagnose this. Is it showing? All right, good. So we got bro over here snorting a line of dopamine. Get over yourself. Yeah, as you're on my live stream. Anywho, I hope you have a blessed day. We got everyone in the back choosing their dopamine, bad habits, and then you got Jdun. The one who is teaching you DOD, keeping you on the charts, keeping you with a trading plan, and keeping y'all getting paid with Pay Done. Look at that. This is your mentor. Hey, the haters means that our algorithm's working. It means we're getting new people in here. I feel like my eyes are a little cross-eyed in this too. I don't know. I'll take looking like I'm Looking like I'm a young cat. I've turned 30 in 3 months. I'll take all the young I can get. The master of DOD is here to save you. They're having fun, but they're not going anywhere. Meanwhile, the guy in the middle, Mr. Jdun, and y'all that are rocking with me are going big places. Yep, it's the discipline over dopamine leering center. We got the discipline over dopamine leering center in action. Yeah. What do I feel like Price wants to give us an aggressive move down at some point? Tell me why. I'm just trying to find you guys a setup that you can redeem so you can pay for your steak tonight. Is that too much to ask for? I just want to find you a setup, just one setup, and that is it. Blaze, do not redeem the overtrading. No, I didn't choose Team Books on Taurus. All right, let's see what this gives us. All right, let's see. Maybe this can give us some sort of reversal. What's up, Justin? Appreciate you tapping in, bro. All right, Team Bull, we got 30 more minutes of streaming. Are we going to find a win? Going to find a win? Maybe it's time. Could be time. Pay done. I got my backup coffee. I got my backup coffee. Yo, by the way, Gene is going to be live trading Asia session. I can't talk on this YouTube channel. So if you guys want to trade Asia session with Gene, with Team Bull, make sure you guys have your notifications on. Click that bell icon next to my name on YouTube and press all. If you press all, it'll turn your notifications on. Yep. How many of you guys are going to be joining for Asia session? Live trading on this channel. He trades NQ and gold. What time do you start, Gene? 6 Eastern time. Gene's a great trader. He's gotten a lot of payouts. It'll be on this YouTube channel. Yup. You can trade with Senorita Gina. Didn't you catch a winner yesterday? You catch a winner yesterday? Oh, pick even. Yeah, Gene's great at trading Asia. So if you guys can't trade all the way in the mornings, you can tune into this YouTube channel and trade Asia. What is this price action, bro? This is garbage. Is Gene the one who was dancing weird yesterday? No, that was probably me. What? What? Really? Nice. Not nice? I have the humble Honda. Damn, is this going to give us the candle we want, or is this going to be on some games? I'll tell you right now, if you didn't choose DOD today, there's probably a lot of traders that are hurting. Not our Team Bull traders, though. If you're trading with Jdun, You're in good shape. How many miles on your Honda? 140,000. I know. It's worth like $5,000. I drove it again today. I drive it every day. It makes driving, yeah. It makes driving the fast cars a lot more fun. When you go from a not V4, a 4-cylinder to a GT2 RS, it's such a different world. I'm rarely going to be driving the GT2. It's an investment car, but V4, hey, F off. I didn't mean to say that. I caught myself. 4-cylinder. By the way, chat, if you're in Colorado and you want to come trade live tomorrow, send me a DM on Discord. If you want to come in person to trade with me, we still haven't lost. We haven't had a losing day trading live with students here in like a year. Woo! 2019. My GT2 RS has 8,000 miles on it. I think it'll be an 800K car in a few years, as long as I keep the miles low. I don't know how many kilometers it has. I've been eating so much food. We've been grinding. I honestly really want to get a GT3. The GT2 RS is amazing. I love it. I'm going to keep it for a long time. But it's not... This actually could be our retrace back down, but it's not a daily driver. I want a Porsche I can drive. Let's see, 877, 852. It looks like this... I would say that retrace looked good back here for longs, but look what we've been disrespecting this all day. Bro, do you think I fit in an Audi R8? I barely fit in my Porsche. I have a truck, Dino. I have a Raptor R. That's my family car. I'm a Nebraska boy with a truck. BMW M5 comps are hard. They are hard. Do I fit in a smart car? That'd be funny to see. I don't think it'll happen, but... How did his trade go? I have one winner and one break even. I closed it at break even, then it ended up going up. I want payouts to get my dream car, Aston Martin. Aston Martins are nice cars. You know what I like about Aston Martin, the brand, too, is they're the only one that's not moving towards EV. They have no plans at going hybrid, which I love. I respect Aston Martin a lot for that. I hate hybrid cars. I hate hybrid supercars. I don't use the word hate lightly. I hate those cars. I will never buy one ever again. I hated my Revuelto. I think P1s suck. I just won't do it. What are the chances of trading you with you at the office? You can DM me on Discord. I want to pay out so I can live a life of freedom and save money for my son. That's a great why. That's a strong why. Jdun a couple days ago, I don't hate anything. Yeah, besides hybrid cars. Nope, no hybrids. None. I won't do it. I think that gas-powered supercars are going to gain a lot of value in the next 5, 10, 15 years, too. Like, if you have an SVJ and you can keep it low mileage, that's going to be $1 million plus forever. Maybe even more. SF90, horrible car. Never. What are the odds I can take you out to dinner? I'm going to be very honest with you, bro. It's not looking great. I enjoy my peace and quiet time. I'm too introverted, man. We can chat virtually, though. You can take me on a virtual date. YouTube date. What's up, baby? Now watch this be the one that finally plays out. Watch this be the one that, after all this BS, finally ends up playing out here. I think we want to go higher today. I've been thinking that all morning. My whole bias all morning has been long. I think we go high today. I still think we want to test that pre-market high up here. Bro saw the Garden Grace steak. Oh, so fire, bro. Love Garden Grace. Love that place, man. While we are waiting, if you want to trade live with me tomorrow in my private paid community, it is going to be 100% free tomorrow. All you have to do to get access is DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the private stream tomorrow. That's all you have to do. It's 100% free, no credit card, no name even required. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM right now while we're waiting. I'll be on for about 20 more minutes. Maybe longer if something starts cooking up. I'll get you an invite to join. I will post the link in Discord tomorrow. Yup. Sure will. I sure will. And guess what drops in 40 minutes, guys? The 2-bar setup video. Look at this move up now. It finally respects it. After all that time, it finally respects a solid retracement. Finally. After all that BS today, look at this. All that BS today. It finally respects a retracement of a trend-setting candle. Wow. Look at that. Today was annoying. That was honestly very frustrating. We might get a 2-bar setup here too. Let's see, 930, maybe stops below 9. That could work. I don't trust it fully. This price action's been on games today, but it honestly doesn't look bad. We'll see. This movement sucks. Again, another winning trade today, but slow. Guys, we hit, let's go. We hit that textbook and then moved up. This was on games all morning. You know what else we hit? We hit 2,100 people concurrent viewing on YouTube this morning. Wow, high of day. Look at that. High of day. You know what I think, folks? You folks want to know what I think? I think some of y'all need to pick me up. There's a few people in chat that need to pick me up. Hope y'all were paying attention earlier, YouTube. I told you it was coming. The celebration of breaking 2K. Hope you're paying attention. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Someone was ready. Jesus was ready. Jesus was ready. Wow, guys, look at that. I can't believe I stopped that early. All you care about is your views. Focus on the plays. Bro, for one, you're in my live stream. For two, I catch you winners almost every day. What? You want me to be constantly trading, respectfully leave the stream. You're not going to find any value here, bro. If you want me to constantly be trading, you're just not going to get value here. I always tell people that. Like, if you want me to always be trading and taking trade after trade, catching every move, this isn't the stream for you. If you want to trade discipline and if you actually want to make money and if you want to focus on the process and make and keep money, then you'll like it here. That's why we're growing every day. We're growing every single day. Congrats to the rogue codes. We had a 2-bar set up here too, but it didn't end up playing out. Congrats to the action takers. Well, guys, for educational purposes, we were disrespecting this all morning. That's why I didn't take this retest here, but this actually looked very good for a retest down and move up. We just disrespected these levels all morning. I mean, all morning we disrespected. You got to be paying attention. Announcement was earlier. Got to be listening. We usually don't do rogue codes unless we hit bangers, but today was a slow, frustrating day, so. You know what I want to do for the next Team Bowl HQ? I want to make it really, really nice. I've been looking around. I know what I'm going to call it. I'm not going to tell y'all what I'm going to call it, but I already got a name. And no, I'm not telling. I won't spill the beans till it's done. Just know. Yeah, the Team Bowl Leering Center. The bullpen, that's good. You had the worst tilt day ever. Why, bro? This could be the retrace here, but we already moved and wicked high a day. So on this setup here, guys, if you're looking to catch this action hasn't respected a lot of key levels. We could see a higher low here, but the problem is we already went and wicked up high a day. So it's a little less likely. We could see the higher low here and then continuation up. It's just higher risk. We'll see. I actually don't mind the... If you did try the longs, you have to have stops below like 900. Just hasn't been respecting these levels. You got anything you like, Gene? It's been slow. It's been a little whipsaw-y. Yoo-hoo! So you want me to say yoo-hoot? Yoo-hoo. See, look at that BS. That's exactly why I held off. Like, what is this? What? When it comes to high quick, Gene, I gotta blow my nose. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Oh, my legs from yesterday. Bro, so sore.
What's up, guys? Jeez.
Oh, here we go.
I put it on my story. Look at that move down.
Look at that. Look at that BS was coming. Look at that BS. What is this? Tell me why. If we break this structure, I feel like we can just accelerate to the downside if we can finally break this down. Would I bet on it? No, but do I think it could happen? For sure. Yeah, we got some data tomorrow, too. How much longer y'all want me to stick around? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Till close of the day, you want me to stick around for more hours? I'm not. Today I can't trade Asia. I have a bunch of stuff to do. Otherwise, I'd love to. I do need to schedule that. The 2-bar setup video comes out in 30 minutes, guys. In 28 minutes, the 2-bar strategy will drop. This price action is crazy, bro. You all better dedicate 17 minutes tonight. Well, watch us reject that and move down. Watch us reject that 50% retracement. Move down. Part of me wants to try the shorts. If we close this candle weak, I might do it if we close this candle weak. I might give it one more go, basically risk my profits from earlier. I've never seen you take a trade, then you're likely blind or deaf or both. I'm going to start calling you Helen. I've never seen you take a trade ever. Well, then you probably don't ever come to the stream, or you're blind or deaf or something. I don't know. All right, Helen Keller. I mean, respect. Helen was a grinder, but she probably wouldn't have much luck trading with me either. Just saying. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back. Jdun, where do we redeem the codes? The road codes are all gone, bro. Those are gone in about 5 seconds after they're posted. I went from 200 to over 2,000 in 6 weeks trading the DOD system. Let's go. You guys always talk about these other streamers talking about me. It's because they're jealous. Like, they're weird. Why? Like, there's a reason why these streamers talk about me, but I don't talk about them. It's because hate comes from the bottom. I don't care what they're doing. You're talking about New York Yankees versus second grade T-ball. Why would the opinion of a lion care about a sheep? I don't. You feel me? We at the top here, baby. Losers focus on winners. Winners focus on winning. And we take every trade live. Every trade live.
I just arrived at the
She said you don't take trades. I think we go lower, guys. If we can fail this 15-minute high, I like the shot at shorts with stops above 920. See a little more confirmation. I want to see downwards dog. That's what I want to see. Right now, there's not enough confirmation, but I can see a thesis where we swept highs, made a lower high here, and then we push back lower to pre-market low. I can see a world where that happens. No, not a 2-bar. No trending direction. Still holding this high right here. It's a woozy, it's a wazi, it's a fugazi, it's a fugazi. Send it short. I'm not in a trade, guys. I was just talking in chat. Oh, let's see. 20 more minutes till the new video drops, guys. It looks like if we can break the structure, we can just dump. If we can break the structure with some strength, we can really dump. We just got to break it first. Oh, woo! That's it. I know one song that can get us through this. Not this song. This is a banger too. That's not it though. Call me crazy. I still like the shorts until we break above 920. I don't have enough confirmation to enter, but I can see a world where we get buyers exhausted in this dump. What's going to happen is once I leave, then market will move. All right, let's see. Oh boy. Let's see here. At 870, I'm going to try one more piece of shorts, guys. 870 to 880 with stops above 900. I am going to give that a go if we move up. I'll go back to break even on the day if it stops me. Like slightly red. I'll put on a little more risk. Come on, a little more. Don't reject at 860. No. No mames a la verga. No rapido. No rapido. No. Oh yeah, market, I'm about to leave. Better rip up and give that entry I would have taken. Dude, no. Gosh, no way, bro. My mic keeps going out, Gene. I don't know why. It keeps going down. Yeah. This mic sucks. I might get yours from in there. Short cord? Damn, 18 inches is small. I'm cooked. Oh, guys. That is painful. Look how close that was to our entry. I would have literally taken that. Second we hit 870. That's really frustrating. That'd be dope. Guys, I'm staying on until I get the trade. Stay on for 20 more, 15 more minutes. This price action is too good right now. It's heating up. I can't believe it just missed that entry. That's so foul. Look at that. 5 points. I already paid for it. I think. Actually, no, I don't know if they did charge it or not. It'd make $200 or something. Yeah. All right, guys. I am looking for the shorts still. I have no Oh, I tried a small piece of shorts, guys. I'll stop at 865. If we go up to 8, oh my gosh, it just got my stop. I'm back to negative 170. All right. I still like shorts up here, guys. One more try. I still like it. If we stay below this area, I'll let you guys know if I re-enter. If we reject this 70 to 80, I'll try once more with stops above 900. I don't love that 5-minute reversal candle. This is a really hard candle to short. I did try it once more. I did try one more on my day red. And my day red. It's 870 area here with stops above 900. My last try. I'll have a full-size loss for the day. If I get stopped out. $900. Hard stop. Hard stoppage. Hard stoppage at 900. Oh, whoops, there we go. Hard stoppage at 900. It's a hard candle to short, but this was the only area I had, so it's worth the risk reward to me to try it. I'd be bummed if I saw it and I didn't try it. If we end up reversing back up, I'll take my loss for the day and I'll move forward. 1 win, 1 break even, 2 losses. So there we go. Come on. 25 points. Almost 30 points, guys. I'm trimming a little off here at 30 points. Trimming a little off here down here, guys. I'm trimming a little off here. Everybody that heard those shorts, I'm trimming a little off. I want to see low of day out of this. I want to see low of day out of this trade. I'm putting my stops back down here. I'm not messing with this price. I'm putting my stops at 73. I want to see us push down the low a day. If we retrace this and move up, that means I was wrong. That means that we retrace 50% of this candle. My stops are at break even, just above. I want to see low a day out of this. Sold a little near 30 points. I'd like to see us move down to 800 now. Let it die! Come on! Oh, crap. Come on, let it die. Let it go. Let it go down. Let it die. 30 points so far. 30 points so far, guys. I want to see this go low a day. My stops are at break even, just above. 73. Come on. Why does he keep doing that? My mic is messing. I mean, I've just had the worst technical luck the last few days. Come on, I want to see a big trade out of this. I want to see down to 800. We're back in the green, though, so that's good. I'll take that. I'd rather see a whole trend move down to 800. Hard stops in at 73. I'm for sure done after this trade. Win or lose. points. 50 points. We want low of day. We want new lows. We want new lows, everybody. We want new lows. We want new lows. I told you I had you, baby. Wanted to see a bigger day, but we'll take it. Roll call. If you guys stayed patient with me, and if you guys ended today green, I want you to type how you ended up doing. If you guys stayed the course with me, stayed green, even if it's a base hit. How'd we end the day, folks? Talk to me, Team DOD. If you stayed the course with me and ended the day green, I want to see your numbers. I want to see you talk to me. Get some positive vibes going. How much do you guys make on that DOD trade? 256, 430, 600, 1.5K, $20, 521. Let's go. Let's see. How much y'all make on that DOD trade? 158, 529, 1,000, 550, 470, 300, 310, 25, 1200 times 6, 52, 299. Let's go. We'll take it. 60 points. We waited all morning for that. Stayed patient, chose DOD, got paid. That's what we do every single day. We stay patient, we wait for A+ setups, and we make it happen. Watch it. We're gonna sweep up and go down now. Watch. 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 Watch, 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 watch. Watch, 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 watch. Watch, 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 watch. 4. Do see you smiling. All right. I really got to get out of here now. I really got to mob out of here now. I'm glad we can catch a winner. Again, right now, I want y'all to all go take a moment today or at some point tonight and watch my 2-bar video I just posted on YouTube. Brand new YouTube video is up. It's how to catch more trends, how to trade the 2-bar strategy. It's a no-brainer. You guys all need to go and watch that right now on my YouTube channel if you're not busy. Yep, Jdun Trades YouTube channel. Glad we can catch a winner, guys. I'll see you guys all for live trading tomorrow. You know what? A lot of you guys stuck with me for 3 hours today. You guys trusted me. You guys stuck around through the chop, through the BS, through the garbage. You trusted DOD. You trusted the system. You stayed focused. You traded smart. You traded safe. You didn't give in. You did not surrender to this price action. So you know what y'all get rewarded with? Who stayed and grinded and focused and chose DOD and trusted Jdun. You know what y'all get? You know what we're getting? You know what we're getting? You know what we're getting? You guys better check your chats. Let's go. Who all got it? Who all got it? Who was ready? Who was paying attention? Who's paying attention? Uh-oh. AYC got it. Kwon got it. Matt got it. Oasis got it. Let's go, baby. If you don't know, you don't know. You got to be first come, first serve. All right, y'all. I'm getting off. I love you guys. Glad we can catch a nice winner today. Sorry it wasn't a bigger trend move, but we'll take a 2-hour trade all day, every day. God bless y'all. Have an amazing rest of your day. Choose DOD. Go to the gym. Eat a healthy diet. Tell your mom or dad or sister or girlfriend or boyfriend or someone you love them. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for live trading. God bless y'all. Peace. If you guys do want access to Team Bowl tomorrow, if you want access to my private community, I'll be dropping giveaways in there. I'll also be trading live on Zoom where there's no delay. DM me on Instagram right now. Type in Jdun Trades. Send me a message that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free community. That's it. You'll get access to my whole paid stream, whole paid community for free. Jdun Trades on Instagram. I'm going to check my DMs right now. Jdun Trades on IG. Go send me a DM. I'll see y'all later. God bless. Have a great day. Peace.